You've undoubtedly been searching for ways to make money online, but you've finally arrived at the right place. This is a sure approach to make money online. This is not a joke, and it is totally legit. I'll just show you how to copy and paste photos, and by doing so, you may earn up to $2,000. It would not need much work in my opinion, and it is completely passive. Don't worry, this is available all around the world and is completely free. Isn't it incredible? All you have to do is watch this video and follow along with me. As a result, you can double or triple your profits in a fraction of the time. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? First and foremost, I want you to go to google.com. And I'd like you to check up the term cute animals. From there, I want you to click on this picture button. And from there, you'll be sent to this page where you may view various photographs of all of these adorable creatures. And we can really utilize them to make a lot of money online by creating a one-of-a-kind website and employing a one-of-a-kind approach. Second, go to this website called Teespring, which may be found at teespring.com. Teespring is a fully free platform that lets you to employ artificial intelligence to create a variety of e-commerce items that you can subsequently sell on the internet. You don't even need to talk to anyone. It's actually a lot easier and simpler than you may think. And, as previously indicated, you only need to copy and paste the photographs into teespring.com. When you submit all of your photographs and designs to Teespring, it will simply aid you in printing those designs to various garments, t-shirts, and other designs that you can see here, since there are many different sorts of clothing on teespring.com. See this design, you can simply upload and copy and paste some simple drawings, and they'll assist you print them on multiple t-shirts instantaneously. Check out this t-shirt, which is around $30. Not only that, but teespring.com has a plethora of various designs from which you can nearly sell anything by just copying and pasting. As you can see, we have accessories such as backpacks, leggings, and even phone cases. This money-making approach is based on the concept of print on demand. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's return to the video. And what Teespring performs for you is that they will cheerfully pre-manufacture and develop all of the t-shirts and other designs for you, after which they will aid you in shipping to 180 countries worldwide. Not only that, but they can accomplish it with same-day or two-day shipment, so you can create your own online store and design business on teespring.com. Awesome! In general, this is how it works. To begin, simply use the Teespring launcher and click the stock designing button to build a product. In a minute, I'll teach you how to utilize your smartphone or computer to start making new t-shirts by uploading, copying, and pasting various photographs. So keep an eye out and don't miss out. Again, teespring.com allows you to create and design a wide range of items. And after you've finished that, we'll go to the next level, which is boosting your sales. You can either utilize their current network or integrate through a tool or cooperation to produce additional sales if you continue to watch this video, and you can do so without selling, referring, or having any technological skills. It's actually fairly easy, and it's currently ongoing. Because of this, Teespring will let you manufacture, ship, and deliver orders from all around the world. They'll even help you with customer service, and they have a competent crew to do it. All you have to do now is receive your earnings from teespring.com. So all you have to do now is return to the teespring.com homepage and click on the icon at the top to begin creating. This will bring you to this page, where you may sign up for the world's most popular creative platform. Simply provide some basic information, such as your name or brand name, email address, and password, and then click the registration button. So after you've entered your personal information and registered an account, we'll go on to the next stage, which is building your first Teespring store. And then you'll be sent to this website where you'll find several categories of different trending items, as well as a number of ideas for what's hot and what's trending right now. Joggers, face masks, and other digital gear and accessories are also popular. If none of these categories appeal to you, simply scroll down and browse the many additional themes, items, and products that you may create. There are a lot of them, as you can see. So in this video, I'll show you a real-world example of how to implement this design on a long-sleeved t-shirt. All you have to do is push the play button right here. This will bring you to the long-sleeve tee category. So in this video, I'll teach you how to start with the best one, the original. We must now upload an image on our t-shirt. As you can see, there is a center region where we must copy and paste a picture as our own design onto the t-shirt. What you'll do is return to Google and look for a cute animal G's. That's what I showed you at the beginning of the video, and we need to choose one of these photographs. So in this video, I'll give you an example using penguins because there are many penguin enthusiasts all over the globe who would like to buy and create a t-shirt with adorable penguins on top. So once we've decided on a penguin image, we may download it on our PC, snap a screenshot, or store it for free on our mobile phone. All we have to do now is click this button to submit a photograph and choose which images will be picked. And now there's a picture of a penguin. When you successfully upload your image, it will appear on the t-shirt as seen below. You may now drag and drop the photographs to any area you choose, or even drag them to enlarge them. So I'm now making it slightly larger to accommodate the box in the center. And you can see that by putting it somewhat in the center of the bottom here, that's precisely what I want. It's as simple as copying and pasting penguin photographs on top of a t-shirt. The following step is to select a color for your product. We shall use white as the color of our t-shirt for this. Then go to the bottom of the page to establish a price for your product. As a result, they'll recommend $26.99 by default. And you might make $11 profit on each sale, and Teespring will help you market and sell the t-shirt every day. Teespring is great because of how quiet it is and how simple it is for a newcomer to get started. The reason you may only keep $17 of your revenue and Teespring keeps the rest is because they will help you promote and sell the products. When you're finished, simply click the Continue button at the bottom. Your t-shirt and design will be prominently shown on teespring.com. I'd like you to go to facebook.com right now to gain hundreds of sales. And I believe that everyone who has a Facebook account should search for the phrase penguin lovers when you go to Facebook. And by default, that's all I want you to select on groups in the filter area. So I simply click the groups icon. Then I want you to join these public groups by clicking on this button right here. And by doing so, they may be able to help you immediately filter all of the results for penguin lovers groups that are available to the public. Assume I click on this group right now, and it redirects me to this page. As I scroll down, I notice a slew of other penguin lovers from all around the world. They're displaying a variety of penguin-related photos, graphics, and movies. And if you can put a simple design right here on the scoop, you'll be able to generate a lot of organic sales without having to talk to anyone. And it will be very targeted traffic because everyone who joins this group is a penguin lover and published a simple post and share your t-shirt design right here inside the Facebook group. And just like that, you'll be able to make and create a lot of money. That's the end of it. It's been Money Intelligence. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.